Hello everyone, I am here with my daughter Hannah. We are unboxing a Bespoke package. It's a subscription. I think it mails about every 3 months. I think it's quarterly. But anyway, Hannah, if you could assist me please. Let's see. Looks like Hayden Flour Mills pancake mix. That's just a piece of paper. Oh, this is to put on a cast iron skillet. It's a sleeve so that you don't burn your hand on the handle. That's what that is. That is cool. And a cast iron skillet. Old Mountain. Nice. Bloody Mary mix. Interesting. Sucker Punch Gourmet. Organic. Well, at least non-GMO. Pure Vermont maple syrup. Is that it? Yeah. So that's what we got. The cast iron skillet, some pancake mix, some maple syrup, and this one seems odd. Why they would send this, I don't know. But hope you enjoyed this video. You have a great week.